Good morning, students. Today we will study about computer chapter 5 exercise objective type questions. So you also ready for it and concentrate here, page number 53. Okay, students, objective type questions. Choose the correct options. This feature is used to store text or graphics. The correct answer is auto text. This feature is used to store text or graphics. The answer is auto text. This tab keeps track change button. The answer is review button. This feature split the long word into two parts to fit at the end of a line. The answer is hyphenation. And number D, this feature control the word break. The answer is optional hyphen. This keys combination is used to insert optional hyphen. The answer is control plus hyphen. This appears at the bottom of the page. The answer is footer. And number G, this is used for detailed comments. The answer is footnotes. Now fill in the blanks given here. Fill in the blanks. Pictures, clip arts and dash can be arranged as auto text entry. The answer is auto saves. Option is given here. You can see. By default, Word will put the text orientation in a horizontal direction. Right click the status bar and click on track change option to add track change indicator to the status bar. Dash and dash contains page numbers, company, logo, documents, title, etc. The answer is header and footer contains page numbers, company, logo, documents, titles, etc. MS Word automatically inserts dash where they are needed. And the answer is MS Word automatically inserts hyphen where they are needed. Match the following. Control plus hyphen to insert optional hyphen. Number 3, and control plus alt plus F number 1 to insert subsequent footnote, and control plus alt plus D number 4 to insert subsequent endnote, alt plus F plus 3 number 2 to open the create new building box. Subjective type questions, it is you have already note down from the notebook, and next it is given here yes or no. Page footer is a text that appears at the top of every page. No. Clicking on review tab, quick parts button will open save selection to quick parts. Answer is no. The default orientation of text in a Word document is landscape. No. And once protected document cannot be unprotected. Once protected document cannot be unprotected. No. Formative assignment. Complete the following crossword using the clue given below. This tab allows you to use auto text features. INSERT insert. Number 2. By default, Word will put the text in this direction. Horizontal, HORIZONTAL. Number 3. This feature allows multiple people to work on a document. TRACKC track, HANGE track change. Number 4. This button lies under page setup group of layout tab. Number 4. Hyphenate, HYPHENATE. Number 5. This appears at the top of the document. Number 5. Header, HEADER. Number 6. This is used in print a document in explain, comments or provide reference for text. Number 6. ENDNOTE and note. Next, page number 56, we will see. Complete the following crossword. This is a second generation language. Second generation language. Number 1. Auto code. AUT O auto, COD auto code. Next, number 2, third generation language. Third generation language number 2, Fortran, FORTRAN. Number 3, an example of fifth generation language. Number 3, Prolog. Number 3, Prolog, PROLOG. The list of recent items, jump list, JUMPLIST. JUMPLIST. It is used to take a quick look at auto open window. Number 5, Aeropeek, AEROPEEK. Number 6, one type of building type. One type of building type, AutoText, AUTOTEXT. This feature allows multiple people to work on a document. Number 7, track change, TRACKCHANGE. Number 8, this is used to split word into two parts. Hyphen. Number 8, HYPHEN. It appears at the top of the page. Number 9, header, HEADER. And number 10, it is used in printed document for citation of sources. Number 10, it is endnotes. Where is number 10? But 10 is not given here. And student number 1, auto code. So here given printed mistake, one here A, then correct it is D, auto code. Okay, so next page number 57. Choose appropriate option. This feature makes the computer so powerful. So speed, versatility and diligence, all of them. So the correct answer is all of them. This utility software putting up the scattering files together, defragmentation, disk cleanup, backup of data, none of them. The answer is defragmentation. The language of this generation are used in the field of artificial intelligence, 5th generation. This feature is used to take quick look at other open window. Pushpin, jump list, Aeropeek gadget. The answer is Aeropeek. A building block used to store text and graphics for recurring use. The answer is AutoText. Fill in the blanks. The most prestigious award given in computer science, that is Turing Award, TURING, Turing, AWARD, Turing Award, named after British mathematician Alan M. Turing, TURING. Dash and dash are system utility software, disk cleanup and disk defragmentation. Disk cleanup and disk defragmentation. Disk cleanup and disk defragment, DEFRAGMENT, defragment are system utility software. Dash and dash belong to second generation computer. What is the correct answer? Dash and dash belong to second generation language. The right answer is regional, REGIONL, regional assembly, 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 LNGUAGE, language, regional assembly language. And autocode, AUTOCOD, autocode belong to second generation language. Dash and dash are the advanced feature of Windows 7. The answer is jump list, JUMP, jump, LIST, jump list, and Aeropeek, AUROPEEK, Aeropeek are the advanced features of Windows 7. Hyphenation feature is used to automatically or manually hyphenate the text. Match the following. Charles Schwer. The answer is Arithmeter, Advac, John von Neumann, and Univac 1, Number E, first commercially available computer, microprocessor, desktop, mainframe computer. Number D, central computer in a network system. Write T for true statements and F for false. Supercomputers are employed for specialized application. True. The most prestigious award given in computer science is the Babbage Award, named after Charles Babbage. It is false. C++ is a development software. True. Minimize a window by dragging its border to the opposite sides of the screen. False. The default orientation of text in a Word document is landscape. False. Okay students, so it is the exercise and question answer. What do you mean by development software? So it is from chapter previous chapter. You already studied about it. Search and write, and if any doubt then consult it into meeting.